Okay, foodies, today we're making Chef Pete's banana pudding. So get yourself a good sized dish, depending on how big you like to make it. 11 by 17, or you can make it in an 8 by 9 or an 8 by 8 or this size. And then what I'm going to do is I've got some banana pudding over here, instant pudding that's been chilling. And then I've got in this bowl my whipping cream, and I'm using plant-based whipping cream, something like Silk, or you could use the other brands that are available out there, okay? All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my pan over here, and then traditionally they use, for this particular dish, vanilla wafers. I'm using graham crackers. Use whatever you like. So crumble them up, and if you're using the vanilla wafers, just line the bottom with them, okay? So crumble them up on the bottom, like this. Just crumble them up so you get the bottom covered, and make sure they're crumbled good because they want to soak up our beautiful pudding mixture.
Pudding, whipped cream.
And whipped cream. We're going to soak it all up.
What does this taste like? Must taste like whipped cream.
Yeah. So to make the plant-based one, you need the plant-based cream, and the plant-based cream really requires only about, for that whole big thing I made there, is about a quarter cup of powdered sugar and a couple of teaspoons of vanilla, okay? And that will make your cream. But I'm going to mix this cream. I'm going to mix it with, and I'm going to get bananas on the bottom here. Just all over.
Can you bring that so I can...
I'm going to bring it over, Anthony. Just hang on. I'm going to bring it right here. Okay. And what we're going to do is get some bananas on the bottom all over the place. Okay. And get them in here. This is so easy to do. And if you've got spare bananas at home that are ripe, this comes in handy. Oops. You almost fell.
Oopsie.
Okay. So there we go. And then we're going to get this on here. And all of our banana in there, all over the place. There we go. Just make it easy, okay?
Yes, we have bananas.
Yeah, I'm going to rinse my hands while Anthony is showing you. Now what I'm going to do is take half of my cream and put it and fold it into the pudding mixture. So I'm going to take about half of this because I want the other half for the top. Okay, and remember this is so
no dairy.
No, well there is some milk. I put milk in the pudding mixture.
But it's lactose free.
But in this case, because we use lactose free, I've used lactose free. So we're gonna mix this in just like this. Mix him in. There we go. He's mixing in nice. Okay, just like this. So we get our pudding mixture mixed in with our cream mixture, just like this. Okay, and remember this is banana instant pudding I'm using, okay? Or you could use, you don't have to put the pudding, you can use just all cream if you like. I like to get a little extra flavoring, and the banana pudding is what makes that give us a little extra flavoring.
It just looks so light and fluffy.
Yeah, so then we're gonna go right on top here.
Beautiful.
Right on top of our banana and our beautiful graham crackers, right? Okay, and then I'm gonna just spread this out. Now, you don't have to put more cream on the top. You can just leave it like this, whichever you like to do. It's perfectly fine. I'm gonna add a little more cream here to the whole thing. I'm gonna add a little more cream right here, right here, right here, right here, right on top. Just a little more cream, and we're gonna go across like this, and there we have it. So this is, whoop, there's a little spot here that could use some. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, so we got him all covered, and I got cream on me, and I got everything here, delicious. And so there we have it. I'll take that off, and there we have it. Hold back your cream because it can stay in the fridge, And we love you all. Thank you for watching. This is Chef Pete's beautiful, delicious banana pudding. So we'll see you again. This is Pete out.